All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here to talk about our steel skeleton plywood tables. Now, in front of me are just a couple of hardware pieces where we want to show you how we upgrade and are constantly innovating and coming up with new ways to make our products stronger, better, and higher quality than anybody else. This is the corner max piece that we use in the corners of our plywood tables. You lift it up and you put it in that corner. What would happen on a traditional plywood table, they can get mashed in. So what this does is disperses that crushing force across a wider area. And so this is our new upgraded corner max corner. It is far larger. That means any kind of contact force that's applied here is dispersed across a wider area. We introduced this new flat surface. So what happens is any contact that happens down here is now distributed across this entire surface area. This matches more of the plywood finish that you're used to compared to this darker piece. This has an upgraded wood grain finish to it that matches the plywood table. Now, most of our tables come with a metal edge. It's C-channel, where it's got basically one edge here, you got the flat surface, and then the other edge here. We added this E-channel centerpiece that digs into the middle of the plywood when it's pressed in. So this gives it far more strength, far more rigidity. C-channel is good, this is better. And so if you order one of our steel skeleton plywood tables, you're getting the strongest elements. And again, we engineer our products to be better. We want you to have the best, longest lasting, highest quality product in the marketplace. Learn more and order yours at Chiavari.com.